In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a stretch pop-up effect in After Effects. Select the text tool and insert your text. After that, make it align to the center and go to the effect panel and search for transform. Drag it to your text and uncheck uniform scale. At the first frame, put a keyframe for scale width and make it 0. Go to the 2 second and put it 124.5. After that, go to the 4 second and put it 100. Uncheck the use composition shots and increase the shutter angle, and your effect is ready. Also, you guys can save this preset from here, and you guys can search it in effect panel and drag it and use this effect always. And also watch how to make a liquid text effect like this. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.